Okay, so this is week 34, day 3 classwork. The directions say, and remember, you always have to make sure you're reading the directions. Begin at the start, circle, and solve each problem until you reach the finish. Drag and drop a colored rectangle over each correct answer to work your way through the wing. That does not mean all of those little lines will be filled with pink or with the colored rectangles. It's a maze. You go from start to finish. So let's go ahead and do the first one. It says find the area. So again, you want to make sure to go to your weekly planner, click on a day, go to your virtual notes, and pull up your reference sheet. So number 1 says find the area. Now remember, diameter again is from one side to the other. Radius is from the center to the side. So for question number 1 at the start, it's giving us our diameter. So let's pull up our area formula. Area is pi r squared. I'm going to go ahead and write it. In order to find my area, I need to find my radius. So remember, to find your radius, you take your diameter and you divide by 2. So I would take 9 divided by 2, which gives me 4.5. So now I can plug that in to my formula. So my question's asking me to find the area, so I don't have it, and I plug in A equals, remember pi is 3.14, so I'm going to plug in 3.14, and we said our radius was 4.5, and don't forget it's squared. So we're going to pull up our calculator, and we're going to go ahead and solve. Remember, it's 4.5 squared, not 4.5 times 2. So I'm going to do 3.14 times 4.5 squared equals, and it says my area is 63.58. So my area is 63.58. So when I look at my answer choices, my answer can either be this one, or this one. Any of the lines or any of the rectangles that are coming out of my circle. This one is not correct. This one is not correct. My answer is this one. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a rectangle and drag it over to the place. Now, this is my second question. So remember, you're going through the maze. That does not mean that you're answering all the questions until you get to the finish. If you have any more questions, please ask.